Well, hello, it's Bears back again. I have another lock for you. It's called a Shield Security solid steel. Let's open her up and see what we got. Okay. Keys. They're like little schlag keys, don't they? There's a bidding on it. Let's take a look, see. Ooh, look at the size of that keyway. Wow, interesting. Oh, really? Oh, there it goes. Boy, that was tough. So it was just a key, maybe not being cleaned real well, I don't know. Wow, it's a good sized keyway there. Let's give it a shot, see what we come up with. Go to the back and find my pins. Ooh, felt like 5 and it felt like core moved. Ooh, I'm losing it all over the place here. Yeah, I think that was 2. I don't know if I was on a pin there or I was just slipping off warding. Well, tell you the truth, it's pretty rough inside here. Not getting a whole lot of feedback. Wow. What the? Everything feels like it's set. Nothing's moving. Everything feels set and solid. Wow, I'm not getting anything. Huh. Wow. Getting my butt handed to me here. Not nice. I was tripping on that number 1 pin. Just wouldn't set. Oh, wow. Sorry about that, guys. That was really making me wonder. It felt like everything was set. Okay. Get this stuff out of here. I'm bored over here. Yeah. Close this bad boy up. Move around right over here for me. And now let's see about. Ooh. Are you kidding? Oh, you did not just slip out of there. You little stinker. You did. Well, I can tell I'm going to be speeding up some video here. I'll be back when I get this fixed. Once again, I had to take it out to my vise on the workbench outside just to get that stinking thing off of there. That was absolutely ridiculous. Those steel clips are just horrible. Okay. Hopefully it's the right size follower. Yep. Okay. I'm suspecting all standard pins in here. Yeah. 2. Come on, 3. 4, 5. And there's it's a ball bearing type again. That little ball that gets up there. So it'll be in 6th position. Yep. Oh, I'll be dogged. That looked like a spool. Let's see what we got here in my tweezers. And that looks like one of those cheap spools. Are they all like that? I bet they are. With short springs. And a ball bearing. It goes like that. Well, anyway, that's basically what you got inside, is those kind of oh, come on, focus on that. Let's see, you can see them. They're like almost spools, and then you got your standard drivers down on the bottom, your key pins, and a ball bearing. And well, that's it, folks. Thanks for bearing with me, and stay legal and have fun, everybody.